Okay, now you see the example number 14. Bharat Traders opened a branch at Ballari. Okay, Ballari on 1/1/1988. Goods are invoiced to branch at cost plus 20%. This is very important. Cost plus 20% means 20% is the loading, cost is 100. So you write 20 below the loading and 100 below the cost and then assert in the invoice price. That is 120. After 120, you have to form two equations. Loading is equal to 20 by 120 of IP, and second equation is loading is equal to 20 divided by 100 of cost price. Two equations you form. After forming the two equations, you remember the branch is newly opened. Branch is newly opened, therefore there is no opening balance. So first point is goods sent to branch, you take debit side first item. Debit side first item. Then cash sale is the credit side first item. Cash sale and cash received from debtors is the first item on the credit side. And this creditors is the second item in the debtors account, debit side. Debtors account, debit side. Discount allowed, debtors account, credit side. Okay. Then cash sent to branch for expense. This is the second item in the branch account. It is actually third item, but in this problem it is a second because there is no opening balance. Okay. There is no opening balance. Then goods are returned by branch. It is the second item on the credit side. Second item on the branch account credit side. Closing stock of the branch is given. You take this closing stock of the branch on the credit side, last item, third item. And in this problem, closing balance of stock is there. Debtors account closing balance is not given in the problem. Opening balance is not given because branch is newly started. But closing balance you have to consider. So closing stock is there, closing balance you have to calculate with the help of debtors account. Debit side, first item you write credit sale. Opening balance is not there. So you write credit sale as the first item. Debit side debtors account. Credit side items are discount allowed, cash received from debtors are the two items. Two items you write on the credit side. Close the account and assert in the closing balance. Thereafter, remove the loading. On goods sent to branch, you have to do 45,000 into 1 by 6 because 20 by 120, 1 by 6. If you calculate this, this is 7,500. Loading on this is 7,500. Okay, credit side. Opening stock is not there. This is the only one item comes on the credit side regarding loading. Opening stock loading is not in the problem. Then second is goods returned. Goods returned to head office is there or not? Okay, here is this. 3,000 into 1 by 6. This is 500. Stock, this is goods sent to branch, debit side. And closing stock 8,400 is there. 1,600. 1,600 is stock reserve. Three items. One item comes on credit side, two items on the debit side. You take these items and close the account and assert in the net profit or general paid account balance or net loss. Okay. This is the problem. You people, this is simple problem. In this problem, no opening balance is. You prepare branch account. Thereafter, you prepare trading profit and loss account for this. Branch account net profit, trading profit and account net profit must be same. Okay. You solve this problem in your home. Then come to the next example. The next example is Anderson Brothers Madras has a branch at Bangalore. All the goods are required. All the goods are required by the branch for sale are supplied from Madras at cost plus 25%. This is important. Cost plus 25%. Below cost 25 you write, and it is cost below cost 100. Then invoice price will be 125. Invoice price will be 125. Okay. Remember this. Then if you go through the branch, and I think it is 1 by 5, 1/5 of IP, 1/4 of CP is the loading equation. First equation, second equation. Then the first three items, these three, opening stock, opening debtor, petty cash, debit side first item. Goods invoiced, this is the second item in the branch. Then third item, goods returned to head office. Goods returned to head office is the second item on the credit side. Bad debt debtors account, cash is the first item on the branch credit side. RDD fourth item. RDD is the fourth item on the debit side of branch. Then sales return. Sales return is the debtors account credit side. And the branch expense paid by head office, 3 are here. These 3 comes under third item, debit side. Third item, debit side. And one more, remittances to petty cash expense is the fourth one. You have to take 4 items under the 2 bank. Rent, salary, sundry expense, petty cash. These 4 items you take under the debit side 2 bank. Then allowance to customer, debtors account, credit side. Petty cash expense. Petty cash expense comes in the final account. That is P&L account method. Under P&L account method, petty cash expense comes 1,200. Remember this, 1,200. You take 1,200 petty cash in case of P&L account method. It will not comes under the branch system. Then total sale is given. Out of this total sale, you deduct this cash sale. Cash sale is 7,000. You deduct 7,000, you will get credit sale. You will get credit sale. Okay. Then that credit sale comes to debtors account debit side. Remittances is already shown. Then stock closing balance is there. Debtors closing balance is there. Petty cash closing is not given in the problem. Petty cash closing is not given in the problem. You apply the equation or open the account. Opening petty cash is 450. 450 plus received from head office is 1,400. Okay. Minus expense is 1,200. You take this and assert in the closing petty cash or account. Then in this case you have to prepare debtors account. Debtors account is essential because collection is not given in the problem. Collection is not given the problem. So you open the debtors account. And same problem I will solve under the final account method. Okay. Final account method. You see this problem. I will solve it. You see the solution. Okay. Invoice price is equal to cost price plus loading. Loading is 25, cost is 100, invoice is 125. Okay, so first equation is loading is equal to 25 divided by 125 on IP. Second equation, loading is equal to 25 divided by 100 on cost price. So first equation is for removing loading. Second equation for adding. Okay, so branch account. In the branch account, we will take two balance brought down, stock, opening stock, debtors, PT cash. First item completed, the total is 96,450. Second item goods sent to branch 1,25,000. Third item bank, first is salary, second is rent, third is sundries. Along with these three, PT cash amount is separately given. PT cash amount is separately given. Therefore, you take that amount also here. PT cash 1,400 is given separately. But you take under this bank head. So totally it is 19,400. Third item completed. First item opening balance, second item goods sent to branch, third item bank, fourth item is RDD, reserve for doubtful debt or provision for doubtful debt, 7,500. Debit side items completed, come to the credit side. First item is to bank. Under that, first is cash sale. Second is collection. Collection is not given in the problem. Collection is not given in the problem, therefore you draw the debtors account. Okay, you draw the debtors account. I have taken here 1,21,700. This is from debtors account. Okay, you see the debtors account. So in the debtors account, debit side two balance brought down 56,500. Credit sale is total sale minus cash sale. Credit sale is equal to total sale minus cash sale. That is 1,74,500 minus 7,000. 1,67,500 credit sale. Then debit side, first is sales return 2,000. Allowance is there 2,250. Bad debt is there 500. These are the three items given the problem. Three items. Then buy balance carried down is 97,550. Okay. You close the account and ascertain the difference. Total it is 2,24,000 and difference is by bank 1,21,700. 1,21,700 is the difference. This difference is called as cash collection. And you take this amount to the branch account. You take this amount to the branch account. So in the branch account it is 1,21,700. The next item you take the total. 1,28,700 is the total. Okay. The next is goods sent to branch, return 5,000. Buy balance carried down. Buy balance carried down, stock is 42,000. Debtors is 97,550. And PT cash balance is not given in the problem. PT cash balance is not given in the problem. Therefore, I'll open the PT cash account. Okay, you see here PT cash account. This is the PT cash account. In the PT cash account, to balance brought 450. To head office, cash received from head office is 1,400 for expense. PT cash expense alwa 1400 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then PT cash expense is 1,200. Then you take the total and balance. Balance is 650. Okay. You take this balance to the branch debtors account. Branch debtors account. Okay. In the branch debtors account, okay, petty cash branch account, petty cash 650. And total is balance carried down is 1,40,200. So then next you have to remove the reserve. 39,500 into 25 by 125 means 1/5. That is 7,900. And goods sent to branch 1,25,000 into 1/5, 25,000. Next debit side to goods sent to branches on return 5,000 into 1/5, 1,000. Stock reserve, closing stock reserve is 42,000 into 1/5, 8,400. You take the total. Now total is 3,06,800. Difference is 49,050. 49,050 is the general P&L account, that is called as branch profit. Okay. And this is the petty cash account already shown. And one more thing I will show here. Goods sent to branch account. Goods sent to branch account. Use here. Goods sent to branch account. In the goods sent to branch account, there are 4 goods sent to branch. Debit side 2. One is goods sent to branch. Credit side 2, debit side 2 are there. In your branch account, there are 2 goods sent to branch account on debit side, 2 are on credit side. So in the opposite direction you take. Credit side first is return, that is goods sent to branch. So here I will write 2 branch. ಇದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಇನ್ ಎರಡನೇದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 25,000. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ, ಬೈ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ಬೈ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅದಾವ್. In your branch account credit side, buy goods sent to branch 5,000, buy goods sent to branch 25,000 are there. And branch account credit side item comes on debit side in this account. 2 branch. And debit side 2 are there. One is branch goods sent to branch account 1,25,000 goods sent to branch. Then second is loading removed on return 1,000. Debit side 2 item, credit side 2 item, you write, close the account and ascertain the balance. This balance goes to trading account. To trading account 96,000. In this way you prepare the goods sent to branch account. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಅದಾವಲ್ಲಿ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ಅವೆರಡು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಅದಾವ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಾಗ, ಬೈ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದದ್ದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ರಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? If the same problem is solved on final account method, what happens? You see here, branch trading profit and loss account. Opening stock 39,500 is there, less stock reserve 7,900. Balance is 31,600. First point. Goods sent to branch is 1,25,000. Less returned by branch is 5,000. 1,20,000 balance. Less loading. You calculate loading on this 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 1/5. ಈ 1,20,000 ಮೇಲೆ loading calculate ಮಾಡಿ 1/5. 24,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 24 ಕಳಿರಿ 96,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Debit side completed. Debit side item completed. Come to the credit side. Buy sales. Credit sale 7,000. Cash sale 1,67,500. Sorry. ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದದ. Cash sale 7,000. Credit sale 1,67,500. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ 1,74,500 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. less sales return. Sales return is 2000. You deduct it. Then balance is 1,72,500. You take the closing stock 42,000. Less stock reserve 1/5, 8,400. Balance is 33,600. Over. Close the trading account. Total is 2,06,100. Difference is gross profit. Difference is gross profit 78,500. You take that 78,500 to credit side, buy gross profit. Then write the expenses on the debit side. First is rent, second is salary, third is sundry expense, fourth is PT cash expense 1,200. ಇದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ದಾಗ PT cash expense ಬರ್ತತಿ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ದಾಗ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇವು ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋ. Then bad debt 1,500 is there. Allowance 2,250 is there. Okay. RDD reserve for doubtful debt 7,500. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 78,500 is total. 78,500 is total. To net profit is 49,050. 49,050. Same answer you have to calculate. Both method. Okay. This is enough for today, and we will see some more problems in the next class.